We present ClothTiles, an easily customizable and versatile fabrication technique to prototype actuation in on-textile interfaces. The proposed fabrication technique is a two-step method, which first needs to print the desired shape on the clothing, and then integrating the SMA wires through the flexible 3D printed substrate. Initially, we demonstrate the concept of clothing actuation using a fundamental ClothTiles element, and we then systematically explore the ways of aggregating, scaling, and orientation prospects to enable an extended actuation mechanism in clothing. Also, different combinations of aggregating and scaling mechanisms can be integrated together to achieve unique deformation types on the cloths. For our user study, we asked participants to bring one of their own clothes they desire to modify. Participants made sketches and notes about the cloth actuator design, together with a researcher who has experience with ClothTiles. Participants came up with interesting designs mainly focusing on aesthetic and functional aspects of clothing. Please refer to our paper for more details. Thank you.